Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast. We're so happy you're here today. If you want to improve your English speaking naturally, you're in the right place. Today's lesson is a shadowing practice. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation, speaking confidence, listening skills, and fluency. Here's how it works. First, listen carefully. Then, pause the video if you need to. Repeat exactly what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing. The more you repeat, the better you become. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin today's English shadowing practice together. Part 1. Morning Routine. Good morning. I usually wake up at 6:30. I stretch my body before getting out of bed. Then I open the window and enjoy the fresh air. I brush my teeth carefully. Next, I wash my face with cold water. I make a cup of coffee. Sometimes I drink tea instead. I prepare a healthy breakfast. I like eggs, bread, and fruit. After breakfast, I read a book for 20 minutes. Reading helps me learn new vocabulary. Then I get ready for work. I always leave home on time. I enjoy walking in the morning. The fresh air makes me feel happy. Every day is a new opportunity. I believe today will be wonderful. Keep going. You are improving every day. Part 2. At work. I arrive at work early. I greet my coworkers with a smile. Everyone seems friendly. I check my emails first. Then I organize my tasks. I enjoy learning new things. Sometimes my work is difficult, but I never give up. Mistakes help me grow. I ask questions when I don't understand. My coworkers are always helpful. I try to stay positive. A positive attitude changes everything. Step by step, I become more confident. I believe in myself. Every day, I become better. Part 3. Daily Conversation. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What are your plans today? I'm going to study English. That sounds wonderful. How long will you study? About 1 hour. That's a great habit. Practice every day. Consistency is the key. Never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. Part 4. Positive Affirmations. I can speak English confidently. I enjoy learning English. Every day I improve. Mistakes help me learn. I believe in myself. I speak clearly. I understand more every day. My pronunciation is getting better. Learning English is fun. I never give up. I am proud of my progress. I can achieve my goals. Success is waiting for me. I choose confidence. I choose growth. I choose happiness. Part 5. Daily Life. After work, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch movies. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. I enjoy spending time with my family. I cook dinner. I clean my room. I prepare for tomorrow. Before bed, I read another book. I think about the good things that happened today. I feel grateful. Then I go to sleep with a smile. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day. Ending. Thank you so much for practicing with English Podcasts today. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Practice a little every day and you'll be amazed at how much your English improves. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode of English Podcast.